Следующая категория Junior Men.
In third place from Slovenia, riding for the Wolf Racing Team.
На третьем месте из Словении из Wolf Racing Team.
Matic Kokel. In second place, also from Slovenia, riding for the Super Snurf team.
На другом месте также из Словении из Super Snurf Team.
Nate Aubel. And the winner of the junior men category, coming from Croatia, riding for Peka Tente Pasic. Ivan Pasic. The top three junior men, Ivan Pasic in first, then Aubel in second, Matic Kokel in third place.